Exercise 3 is raising a single hand. So bringing both hands together in front of dantian and then elevating them to the level of the belly button. And then one hand goes up, one hand goes down. Looking up at the extended hand, so pressing up and pressing down with some tension on the inside of the wrist. Hands turn to face each other and drawing the hand upwards on the inside. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in to dantian and then breathing out, sending the qi into both hands. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, palms facing each other, make a ball of qi, and breathing out.